In this short video, I'll guide you on how to download and install the Telegram mobile app quickly and effortlessly. If you've been searching for a reliable and feature-packed messaging app, Telegram is the solution you've been missing. With its cloud-based service, end-to-end encryption, and powerful tools like file sharing and video calls, Telegram has transformed communication for millions worldwide. Those who've switched to Telegram are already experiencing the convenience of seamless chats and file sharing. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users set up essential apps, including Telegram, and today, I'll make it easy for you too. Stay with me until the end to discover how to fully set up Telegram and start messaging instantly. Now, let's get started on how to download and install Telegram. To start, head over to your device's App Store. For Android, open the Google Play Store, and for iOS, launch the App Store. In the search bar, type Telegram and hit search. Once you see the Telegram app in the results, tap on it. Next, click Install or Get on iOS. If prompted, confirm the download with your password, Face ID, or Touch ID. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Before we continue with setting up Telegram, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with how to download and install Telegram mobile app. To set up Telegram, tap Start Messaging on the welcome screen. Choose your country and enter your phone number. Ensure you have access to this number, as Telegram will send a verification code. Once received, enter the code to verify your account. Optionally, add a profile picture, your name, and your last name. Tap the arrow at the bottom to proceed. Telegram will request permissions for calls and notifications. Tap Allow or OK when prompted. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and set up the Telegram app. To explore more Telegram video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.